Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome back to our online IIT class. Today we are going to discuss about SERT's exercise problems. So, first our question, insert rational number between root 3 and root 5. Let's root x is the rational number between root 3 and root 5. So, root 3 is less than root x is less than root 5. Squaring this series, so we can get root 3 is less than x is less than 5. So 4 is the value in between 3 and 5. So square root of 4 is equals to 2. There are infinite rational numbers we can find between root 3 and root 5. For example, 3.24 is one of the rational number in between 3 and 5. This is second question. Insert 6 irrationals between, this is not a rational, this is irrationals. First question is rational, this one is irrational. Irrationals between 2 root 5 and 3 root 7. So squaring these two terms, so we can get order is same. Here 2 into root 5 whole square means a into b whole square. So that is equals to a square into b square. Here 2 square into root 5 square. So that is equals to 2 square means 4, root 5 whole square means 5. 4 5s are 20. Here is also in our second term 3 into root 7 whole square. That is equals to 3 square root 7 square. So that is equals to 9 into 7, result is 63. So in between numbers of 20 and 63 is 21, 28, 27, 30, 40, 50, 61. These are not a perfect square numbers. These are not a perfect square numbers. That's why I can take root 21, root 28, root 27, root 30, root 40, root 50, root 61. These are 6 irrational numbers in between 2 root 5. 2 root 5 is nothing but root 20. 3 root 7 is nothing but root 63. These are the 6 irrationals between root 20 and root 63. So there are infinite irrational numbers we can find between any two irrationals. This is our third question. Express root 5, comma, third root 3 square and fourth root 4 as sets of the same order. Same order means nth order is same. Here first one, root 5 is nothing but 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Third root means, here 3 square means 9, third root means 9 to the power of 1 by 3. Fourth root 4 means 4 to the power of 1 by 4. Let's take LCM of these denominators, 2, 3 and 4, these denominators. So here 2 how many times? 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So 2 into 3 into 2, LCM is here 12. 2 how many times divides 12? 6 times. So rationalize with 6, numerator and denominator, into 6 divided by 6, comma, 3 how many times divides 12? 4 times. So into 4 divided by 4, 1 by 3 into 4 divided by 4. Next one, here denominator is 4. 4 how many times divides 12? 3 times. So 4 to the power of 1 by 4 into 3 divided by 3. So that is equals to 5 to the power of 6 by 6 twos are 12. Next 9 to the power of 4 by 3 fours are 12. Next 4 to the power of 3 ones are 3, 4 threes are 12. So that is equals to, here separate with our formula, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m into n. Here m is 6, n is 1 by 12. So 5 power 6 whole to the power of 1 by 12. It is also same as 6 by 12. 6 into 1 by 12 is also same 6 by 12, comma, similarly remaining terms are also written as 9 power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 12. Here 4 power 3 whole to the power of 1 by 12. Here 1 by 12 means 12 the root of. Here is also 1 by 12 means 12 the root of. Here is also 1 by 12 means 12 the root, 12 the root, 12 the root. So finally our result, sets of the same order. This is 12th order, this is 12th order, this is 12th order. Let's simplify 5 power 6 means 15,625. Here 9 power 4 means 6,561. Here 4 power 3 means 64. So irrationals of these three numbers are in same order. What is the order? Here 12th root, 12th root, 12th root. This is the same order. Third question. This question is write the given irrationals in ascending order. Write the given irrationals in ascending order. Here order is different. Here order is 2, here order is 3, here order is 4. So our problem, rewrite root 3 comma 3 root 5 comma 4th root of 11 in ascending order. Root 3 means 3 power 1 by 2. 5 means root power 1 by 3. 4th root means 11 power 1 by 4. So denominators are 2, 3, 4. So LCM of these denominators are 12. So here 2 how many times divides 12? 6 times. So into 6 divided by 6. 3 to the power of. Next 3 how many times divides 12? 4 times. So into 4 divided by 4. Next here 4 how many times divides 12? 3 times. So into 3 divided by 3. So result is 3 to the power of 6 by 12, 5 to the power of 4 by 12, 11 to the power of 3 by 12. Here 6 by 12 means 3 to the power of 6 into whole to the power of 1 by 12. Here is also 5 to the power of 4 into whole to the power of 1 by 12. Here 11 to the power of 3 into whole to the power of 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 means it is an irrational number. So we can start with 12th root of 3 power 6 and 12th root of 5 power 4 and 12th root of 11 power 3. So just simplify these 3 power 6, 5 power 4 and 11 power 3. So we get 729, 625, 1331. These are all in 12th roots, 12th order. So that is equals to, just arrange it in ascending order. So we get 12th root of 625, 12th root of 729, 12th root of 1331. So 12th root of 625 is nothing but 3rd root of 5. 12th root of 729 is nothing but root 3. So 12th root of 1331 is nothing but 4th root of 11. So the series is in ascending order. Finally our question, arrange it in ascending order, is completed. This is example 5. Multiply 3rd root of 2 comma 5th root of 3. Here order is different. This is 3rd root, this is 5th root. So how to multiply these both terms? So from law of surds, nth root a into nth root b is equals to nth root of a into b. So that is equals to, here order is different. This is 3rd order, this is 5th order. So we have to equating these two orders. So 3rd root of 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 3. 5th root of 3 means 3 to the power of 1 by 5. So denominators LCM, here denominators are 3 and 5. This LCM is 15. So here 3 how many times divides 15? 5 times. So into 5 divided by 5. 2 to the power of 1 into 5 divided by 3 into 5, comma 5 how many times divides 15? 3 times. So 3 to the power of 1 into 3 by 5 into 3. So that is equals to 2 to the power of 5 by 15. Here is also 3 to the power of 3 by 15. So that is equals to, it is nothing but 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 15. Here is also 3 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 15. A to the power of m whole to the power of n formula. A to the power of m into n. So that is equals to 15th root of 2 power 5, comma 15th root of 3 power 3. Here 2 power 5 means 32, 3 power 3 means 27. Here order is same. 15th root, 15th root. 15th root of 32, 15th root of 27. Order is same. Here is also order is same. Nth root, nth root. Here is also 15th root, 15th root. So in this situation we can apply this formula. So 15th root of nth root of a into b means 15th root of 32 into 27. So that is equals to 15th root of 32 into 27. Result is 864. 15th root of 864. This is the final result. Next example, 6th one. Divide 8th root 5 divided by 4th root 3. Here order is 8, order is 4. From law of surds, nth root a by nth root b is equals to nth root of a by b. Here the nth root is different. So we have to take LCM of these two denominators. Here 8 comma 4. LCM is 8. 8 how many times divides 8? 1 time. So into 1 divided by 1. It is nothing but 1 by 8. 5 to the power of 1 by 8. 4 how many times divides 8? 2 times. So 1 into 2, 4 into 2. 3 to the power of. That is equals to 5 to the power of 1 by 8 by 3 to the power of 2 by 8. So that is equals to 5 to the power of 1 by 8 by 3 power 2 whole to the power of 1 by 8. 3 square means 9. 9 to the power of 1 by 8. Here 5 to the power of 1 by 8 by 9 to the power of 1 by 8. That is equals to 1 by 8 means 8th root of 5. Here is also 1 by 8 means 8th root of 9. So that is equals to root a by nth root a by nth root b. Here 8th root 5 by 8th root 9. So 8th root of nth root of a by b. Here a is equals to 5, b is equals to 9. 8th root of 5 by 9. This is the final result. This is 8th example. Find the value of 1 by root 5 plus 3 minus 1 by root 5 minus 3. So take the LCM. Here LCM is root 5 plus 3 into root 5 minus 3. So here root 5 plus 3, root 5 plus 3 cancel. Remaining term root 5 minus 3. Minus of, here root 5 minus 3, here root 5 minus 3 cancel. Remaining terms are root 5 plus 3. Root 5 plus 3 into 1, root 5 plus 3. So in the denominator of the form a plus b into a minus b. Result is a square minus b square. So that is equals to root 5 minus 3 minus root 5 minus 3. Multiply with minus by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Here a is root 5, root 5 whole square minus b square is 3 square. Here plus root 5 minus root 5 numerator cancel. That is equals to minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 by 5 minus 3 3s are 9. So that is equals to minus 6 by, here plus 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. That is equals to 3 by 2. This is the final answer. Next example, 9th one. Given that x by root 8 minus root 3 is equals to root 8 plus root 3 by x. Find the value of x. Here just we have to cross multiply these terms. So x into x, x square is equals to root 8 plus root 3 into root 8 minus root 3. So this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Result is a square minus b square. So x square is equals to root 8 whole square minus here b, root 3 whole square. So here x square is equals to 5. X is equals to square transposes to square root under root 5. This is the final result. X is root 5. Example 10. The sides containing the right angle of a triangle. This is right angle triangle. Sides are root 7 minus root 2 and root 7 plus root 2. Find. These are the questions. Area first one, next one hypotenuse. So this is a right angle triangle ABC. The sides containing the right angle are root 7 minus 2. Root 7 minus root 2 here. And height is root 7 plus root 2. So here base is BC, that is equals to root 7 minus root 2. Here height is AB, that is equals to root 7 plus root 2. So we know the area of right angle triangle formula. Formula is half into base into height. Here base is BC, here height is AB. So half into base root 7 minus root 2 into height root 7 plus root 2. So that is equals to, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So root 7 minus root 2 into root 7 plus root 2. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So here result is a square minus b square. Here a is equals to root 7 whole square, b is equals to root 2 whole square. So a square minus b square. So here square root cancel, square root cancel. So result is 7 minus 2, that is equals to 5 by denominator 2. So area of right angle triangle is 5 by 2. Here area units are square units. So area units are square units. Result is 5 by 2 square units. So hypotenuse. This is our 7th question. Here hypotenuse is AC and remaining sides are AB and BC. So our formula by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So here hypotenuse is AC square is equals to side is root 7 minus root 2 whole square plus again side is root 7 plus root 2 whole square. This is of the form a minus b whole square. This is a plus b whole square. So substituting algebraic formulas, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So that is equals to AC square is equals to a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a square is root 7 square plus b square is root 2 square minus 2ab, minus 2 into root 7 into root 2, minus 2 into root 7 into root 2 plus bracket start. So here a plus b whole square formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square means root 7 square plus b square means root 2 square plus 2ab means plus 2 into root 7 into root 2. So here AC square is equals to, here square root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel. So here 7 plus 2 minus 2 into, here root a into root b is equals to square root of a into b. So square root of 7 into 2 plus 7 plus 2 into, here root a into root b, square root of a into b. So square root of 7 into 2. So AC square is equals to 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2, that is equals to 9 plus 9, 18 minus, here 2 into under root 7 into 2 means 2 into root 14 plus 2 into under root 7 into 2 means here is also 2 into root 14. Here minus 2 root 14, here plus root 2 root 14. Both are cancelled. So AC square is equals to 18. So AC is equals to square transpose is to square root under root 18. So we can write it as this 18 is equals to 9 into 2. Under root 9 into 2. Here root 9 is 3 into remaining root 2. So AC is equals to 3 into root 2 units. So this is of the form under root a into b. Result is root a into root b. So root a means root 9 into root b means root 2. Here root 9 result is 3 into under root 2. So AC is 3 into under root 2 units. This is the final result. Next question, example 11. Rationalize the denominator. So first case 2 by 3 minus root 2. Here second one 1 by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. So here rationalizing factor is 3 plus root 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with 3 plus root 2. So that is equals to 2 into 3 plus root 2 by, here 3 minus root 2 into 3 plus root 2. It is of the form a minus b into a plus b. Result is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So 3 square minus root 2 whole square. Here square root cancel. So that is equals to 3 3s are 9 minus square root cancel. Here numerator is same, 2 into 3 plus root 2. So that is equals to 2 3s are 6 plus into plus plus 2 into root 2, 2 into root 2 by 7. 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. This is the final result. In the second case, 1 by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. So take it as root 2 plus root 3 as a single term. So 1 by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. Here rationalizing factor is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. Multiply numerator and denominator with this term rationalizing factor. So that is equals to 1 by root 2 plus root 3 minus root 5 into multiply numerator and denominator with RF. So root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by root 3 plus root 2 plus root 5. So that is equals to denominator of the form a minus b into a plus b. So that is equals to 1 into root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by here a is root 2 plus root 3 whole square minus here b is root 5 whole square. So that is equals to square root cancel. Numerator is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by a plus b whole square formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square is root 2 square plus b square is root 3 square plus 2 into ab means here a is equals to root 2, b is equals to root 3 minus here square root cancel here 5. So that is equals to numerator root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by denominator square root cancel, square root cancel. 2 plus 3 plus 2 into root 2 plus root 3 means root a into root b. So result is square root of a into b. Here square root of 2 into 3. So that is equals to 2 into root 6 minus 5. So that is equals to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 2 into root 6 minus 5. Here plus 5 minus 5 cancel. So result is root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by 2 into root 6. So rationalize the denominator. So that is equals to here rationalizing factor is root 6. So root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by 2 into root 6 into root 6 by root 6. Multiply numerator and denominator with root 6. Here root 6 into root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 by 2 into root 6 again root 6. So that is equals to root 6 into root 2 plus root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 5 by 2 into root 6 into again root 6 whole square. So square root cancel. So that is equals to here root a into root b formula under root a into b. So under root 6 into 2 that is equals to under root 12 plus root a into root b. Here root 6 into root 3 under root 6 into 3 that is equals to under root 18 plus root a into root b formula is square root of a into b. Here root 6 into root 5 square root of 6 into 5. So square root of 30 by here 2 into 6 12 that is equals to here 12 is the product of 4 into 3 plus 18 is the product of 9 into 2 plus root 30 by 12. So root 4 is equals to 2 into root 3 plus root 9 is 3 into root 2 remaining 1 plus root 30 root 3 plus 3 into root 2 plus root 30 by 12. Example 12. Taking root 3 value is 1.732. Root 5 is 2.236. Then find the value of 2 by root 5 minus root 3. So by rationalizing the denominator, here rationalizing factor is root 5 plus root 3. Multiply numerator and denominator with root 5 plus root 3. So here denominator of the form a plus b into a minus b, result is a square minus b square. So here root 5 minus root 3, root 5 plus root 3. It is of the form a plus b into a minus b, result is a square minus b square. So that is equals to numerator is 2 into root 5 plus root 3 by, here a square is root 5 square minus b square is root 3 square. Here square root cancel, square root cancel. So that is equals to 2 into root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3. So that is equals to 2 into root 5 plus root 3 by 5 minus 3 is equals to also 2. Here into 2 divided by 2. Both are cancelled, that is equals to numerator root 5 plus root 3. That is equals to, substitute these values. Root 5 is equals to 2 plus 236. Substitute here instead of root 5. Plus we have to substitute root 3 is equals to 1.732. Here the value already given in that problem. So that is equals to 2 plus 236 plus 1.732 is equals to 3.968. This is the final result.
In exercise 2.a, all problems and exercise 2b 1 to 12 problems as your homework.
Okay, my dear students, if you have any doubts in this session, please contact my number. Thank you.